money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy OD back with another video. And today I got the Helios XVIII-700 Team Blue style. This one right here is a spring action mechanism. So you gotta pull it back, take one shot. I'm assuming, but more or less that's probably what it's gonna be. 7 rounds. I'm hoping they all go in the mag. We're gonna crack this thing open and see what it do. I've been really getting into the Nerf thing because, yeah, I love Nerf. This is gonna be my little project of collecting them all and showing them to y'all. I know some people out there already doing it. I ain't trying to bite off nobody's style. I'm just trying to do me and have fun with it. Me and my kids, we love it. We love battling in the house, running around, shooting each other, having fun. So, this is what comes in the box. You got your presentation bullet. That's what I call it. They always show it outside the box, let you know what you're gonna get. Put that to the side. Got your instructions. We got a clip, so that's good. You don't have to keep feeding it. And I guess this is a handle, lever. Let's get over here. It's this part here. All right, and we got it out. Nice ergonomic style. Feels like the RP90, kind of like that. So yeah, this right here, I'm pretty sure is the clip. No, the lever, there you go. Pull it back, charge, push it forward, and shoot. Safety. And right here, in case the bullet get jammed, be able to get in there and pull it out. So, we're gonna load this thing up, you know how we do. Have you seen the last couple of videos? Shoot my little targets and see how much power this thing got. Says it has a velocity of 100 feet per second. So sounds pretty dope to me. I like these Nerf guns with the little balls, little spongy joints. So let's go get to the target and let's take some shots. See the accuracy look like. Be right back. All right, we got the testing range. We're gonna shoot this thing off and see what the velocity on it. Alright, so aim is a little bad, but let's load up another clip. Let's try it again. Alright, round 2 on it. I'm gonna kneel a little bit. Try to get some shots off. Try to cheek it. No. Alright, so as you can see, got 5 targets this time. Cheeking it helps a little bit with the accuracy. So that definitely works out a little bit better. It does pull a little bit more to the left and up, if that makes any sense, if you know about velocities. So it pulls a little bit to the left and up. So you just have to be a little more cautious trying to snipe with it. It does pull to the left and up. But that's about it. I mean, I like it. Now I'm about to go shoot my kids with it. You know what I mean? And chase them down. I'll holler at y'all later. Easy.